Hey yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Mowdy and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I thought it would be a great idea to do a full face of brand new products. Some of the products that I am using, I have used before because they work and I haven't found something else that I like. But some of these products are brand spanking new. I haven't used them before. So if you're interested in knowing what I'm going to use, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I did go shopping and I got a few new things. So something new that I got was this I Obsessed 12-piece eye brush collection bag to start doing eyeshadow because your boy does not know how to do eyeshadows. So I mean, we gon' learn now, I guess. The next thing I got was these Clinique Take the Day Off micellar cleansing towelettes. I have the balm scrub that I use to take off my makeup at the end of the day. So I got the white version. Hopefully they're good as well. I also got these beauties right here, which is the Tartest Pro. This is a little lash helper. I have a different one by Duo, I think. I don't remember. It came in a little things, a jigger, yeah. So I got this one to see if this one helps out. If not, I'm going to be returning it, or my sister will probably steal it. And then I also got some lashes. These are by Kiss. It's Lash Couture in the style Brazier. But they're 3D volume lash that look like this. They're really pretty. And then I also got by Lash Couture the Faux Mink collection in the style Little Black Dress. That are these right here. And then I always use the black glue, but this time I got the clear one. So hopefully this is better. I don't know. I'm going to try both of them, see which one I like a little bit better. Yes, another thing that I got was this Better Than Sex mascara. This one right here. I heard this one was really good, so I mean, might as well get it. And then, of course, since I got these eye brushes, I also got the James Charles X Morphe palette right here. This beauty. It's really, really pretty. Some of the colors are really, really cool. Some of the colors are really cool. I have been playing around with them for like 3 days. So, you know, we don't see what's the tea with it. And then I couldn't get that one without getting this one. This is the Morphe X Jeffree Star Artistry palette. I guess you're gonna unleash your inner artist and artistry as well. So, So, yes, for today's video, I'm probably gonna use this one, and then probably do a review on the the Jeffree Star one in a different video, or we can do a versus to see which one is better. But yeah, some of these shades are really pretty. I already have like a look plan that I saw, so hopefully it goes well. Alright guys, so for primer today, I'm going to be using the Morphe Foundation Primer, and I'm just going to be putting this pretty much everywhere. It's like a moisturizer as well, so hopefully it works really good. And then I am using a mirror, so my next step is probably to get a handheld mirror, so I can be a little bit more professional. Alright, so now that this is on, we are going to take our hands and then just brush it, I guess. Smells pretty good. It does have a smell to it, so if you are not a fan of smells, this is probably not going to be for you. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing a look. It's based on this pink shirt and our sister James's favorite pinkity drinkity, and we're going to be using the Morphe X James Charles palette. Excuse my hand prints everywhere. I have sweaty glands. But today, this way. New brain. Oh my god. Ooh. So they're still in here, but these are all of them. I have been playing with them for the past 3 days. So, I have used Canvas, Ring Light, Code James, Pinkity Drinkity, B. But for today's one, we are going to be using pinkity drinkity, pretty much this bottom corner over here. Maybe Sister or So Good or Ring Light. I'm still debating. But we are going to be using like this bottom corner and doing a pink look today. So the first thing you are going to do is prime your eye. I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to grab a little bit. Boom. That's it. And then I'm going to dab that with my finger all over my eye and my eyebrow region. Alright, and then I'm going to grab a beauty blender and just press that in with some powder. Cool, now that that's set, what else? Hey guys, so this whole time I thought I was recording and I was showing you how I created this beautiful look. But I wasn't recording, so here we go, part 2. Alright guys, so the first thing we are going to do is prime our eyebrows, eyelids with a little bit of concealer. So I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape and put a small dot right there, a little bit bigger, like that, because a little does go a long way. And just take my finger and pretty much smear that all over my eye. I don't know, just looks right. I saw a lot of videos on YouTube, so I'm a professional. Okay, ta-da! The next thing we are going to do... Alright guys, so after we are done priming our eyelid, I'm going to take a small brush and then going to take the shade Love That. And I'm just going to put this on the outer corner of my eye, which is right here. I'm just going to pat this in gently. I'm not really going to blend, I'm just patting it in on the outside of my eye. Alright, now that that is on, I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Pinkity Drinkity on a fluffy brush, like so, and I'm just going to put this all over my eye. If you are like a darker skin tone like myself, this might not show up on your eye, so just be mindful of that. I'm just trying to make the top look a little bit better and diffuse it. I'm just trying to blend out the top of it so it doesn't look as harsh. I'm going into my brow bone. And then the reason why I'm doing my eye makeup before I do my face is because apparently if you do your eye makeup first, you're a psycho. So can't expose myself now, can I? Alright, now that that is on, I'm going to grab a fluffy brush like so, and I'm going to take the shade Skip, and I'm just going to put this on the middle of my eye, blending those two shades together and working on my crease to make it pretty defined. So just put this shade on your crease and then do like windshield wiper motions back and forth. Now this is the shade that was giving a lot of controversy. Shane would be so disappointed. Controversy. This was the shade that was causing a lot of ruckus. Because a lot of people were claiming that it stained their eye and this and that. So, I mean, hopefully I don't have that. I know I'm behind trend. Leave me alone. Ta-da! And then I'm going to go back in with a big fluffy bending brush and going to go into Pinkity Drinkity and just blend these two together and soften them up a little bit more. Like so. Okay. Then I'm going to take, so my eye is getting really watery because I'm not used to lashes this big, and it's starting to peel off the eye glue that I used, so I might fix it. I don't know, if it keeps bugging me, I'm going to fix it. It's bugging me. Okay guys, so I just fixed this eyelash because it was hurting my eye, but getting back into it, we were blending, sounds about right. Then we're going to take like a small little brush like this and going to dip into the color Single. Oh, relatable. And we're going to put a little bit of it and we're just going to swipe this on the edge of your eyes to make it kind of like smoky and defined. Ooh, yes. Alright guys, now that you put a little bit on the edge, don't worry, we can always fix it up later. We're going to take a small little flat brush like so, and a little bit of the concealer you're using, just a little bit, and we're going to pack this onto the inner corner of your eyebrow towards the middle. And you always want to start like little by little, because if you have to take the whole thing off. Alright, so now that that's on, you want to take your finger and just pack it in, make sure everything's good. And then you want to take your other finger and go into the shade Face and just swirl it around twice so it looks like this. And then just pack this on the inner corner or inner lid area of your eye. Oh, check it out. Then you're going to go back in with a small brush like this and back into that Skip shade, and you're just going to put this on the, what is this called? The crevice of your eyes? The middle? You're going to put this in the middle, on the crease. Alright, and we're going to take a little bit as well of the Love That shade and just put this, you're going to like dab this in the middle to blend those two so they don't look as harsh. And it's honestly just about blending, like you want to make sure you always blend your shades or else you're going to end up looking like this. Ta-da! Alright guys, so now that that's done, we're going to take a small brush like so and dip into the shade Love That. And then we're just going to put this on the bottom of our eye. And the reason why we're using a small one is so we can really get like up to the edge and make this look just like pop out. Then we are going to take a thicker shade like so, and we are going to dive into Skip, and we're just going to put this on the outside of the eye. Like so. And then it's going to look like this. Alright, then we're going to take some eyeliner. I'm using the Eyeshadow London Skinny Liquid Liner in the shade Black. This is Precision. This is Precise, Smudge Proof, and Pitch Black. So it looks like this beauty. Bam! Oh, that's actually pretty good. But yeah, it looks like this. And Lord blesseth he may beeth with meeth, because I usually mess up. I always mess up. Like, let's be real, I mess up. If you mess up, let me know below as well. Okay, so that's how I start off. I'm going to be right back and do this, only because if I sit here and film it, this video is going to be 3 hours long, so I'll be right back. Alright, now that your wing hopefully looks a lot better than this monstrosity right here, we're going to take a curling lashes iron thingamajigger and just curl our lashes. This makes putting on your eyelashes a lot easier in my opinion. Ta-da! And then the lashes I'm using right now are the Lash Couture Triple Push-Up Collection in this style Brazier. That's this one right here. And we're just going to peel this off. You always want to peel it off from the top corner, because if you pull it from the actual hairs, they are going to fall off and you are going to be sad because they're going to look like not good. And then I'm using the Duo one. I did use this earlier on this side, and it's already coming off right here in the middle, so please don't do me dirty. Alright, that was pretty good. Ta-da! And then I'm going to use this little gadget right here to put them on, and then I'm going to use this thing that I got earlier to fix it. Bippity boppity, be right back. So for foundation, I already put on primer. So for foundation today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is the Dewy Plus Smooth formula in the shade 230. I'm just going to put this on the back of my palm. I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to put this all over my face to start it. And I'm going to brush to go into there. Go down. Because I like this. Alright guys, so now that my foundation is on, I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm going to put a little bit in the middle of my face like so. And then use a beauty blender to blend that out. So I did brush off the extra powder off already, and I did my eyebrows. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade and then the pencil as well. And then I took a fluffy brush like this and the shade Literati from the 8L palette, and I just put this like in the middle of my forehead and then on my my cheek area as well. I'm going to take some of the Jeffree Star X Morphe setting spray and I am going to put that all over my face. And while this is being absorbed, I'm going to take, and then while the Morphe spray is being absorbed and then there's still some setting spray on my cheeks, I'm going to go into the Morphe 8 palette again and I'm going to go into the shade Supernova and Cosmic, and I'm going to put this on a fluffy blending brush and I'm just going to put this on the cheek like so. Well, stunning. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Well, and of course on the nose. And on top of the cupid's bow like so. And then I'm going to go into setting spray again. And boom, we are done. Alright guys, but that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know how I did. This is my first time filming on camera my eyeshadow, but my third time practicing, so I mean, give me a little bit of a break. I know it's not that great, but I really like it a lot. It looks super, super pretty. But yeah, let me know how I did down below. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it. It helps me out a lot. And let me know what kind of if you use these products. If you haven't used these products, let me know. Just let me know something down in the comment section down below that you've used, that you've liked, some feedback, whatever you want. It's all good with me. But I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!
It's not right for you, and you can tell me if I'm off, but I see it on your face when you say that he's the one that you want.